Good evening. Today we will be covering the post-market update dated the 25th of July, 2023. Benchmark indices ended on a flat note in the volatile session on July 25th. At close, the Sensex was down 29.07 points, or 0.04% at 66,355.71. And the NIFTY was up 8.30 points or 0.04% at 19,680.60. The biggest NIFTY gainers of the day were Hindalco, Tata Steel, and JSW Steel. The losers included Asian Paints, ITC, and Lesson and Tubro. Talking about the corporate segment, we have the quarter ended June 30, 2023, saw Mahindra Logistics report a net loss of 8.30 rupees crore, compared to a net profit of 13.64 rupees crore in the same period last year. Despite a 7.78% year-on-year rise in revenue, the supply chain management segment experienced a significant 97% year-on-year profit decline. Analysts attribute the muted quarter to slowing network expansion in e-commerce and consumer markets. Tata Steel rises over 3% as Q1 earnings beat Street's estimate. Despite fall in Tata Steel's Q1 numbers, the company's top line as well as bottom line still came above the Street's expectations, preventing a slump in the stock price. Net profit rises 42% to 1,665 rupees crore, revenue up 29%. Bajaj Auto had earlier reported 10% growth in overall volumes at 10.27 lakh units, led by 72% year-on-year increase in the domestic two-wheeler segment on account of a favorable base and a pickup in demand. Jubilant FOODWORKS revenue from operations, meanwhile, rose 6% year-on-year to 1,334.5 rupees crore during the quarter under review, compared to 1,255.09 rupees crore in the year-ago period. Consolidated profit fell to 289.2 million rupees, $3.53 million, in the quarter ended June 30, from 1.13 billion rupees a year earlier. Total expenses climbed 13% to 12.49 billion rupees in the first quarter, with standalone gross margin contracting 69 basis points to 76%. Torrent Power shares gained 2% on launch of EV charging stations. HDFC AMC revenue yield falls on growing AUM, brokerages offer mixed verdict. HDFC AMC has impressed analysts with growth in its assets under management, AUM, systematic transactions, and with market share gains in the June quarter. However, a 42% rally in the past 2 months indicates the stock has priced in all positives, believe brokerages. ITC shares suffered a sharp decline as investors disliked the company's decision not to fully split its hotel business and retain 40% of the new entity. Market participants were put off because only 60% will be distributed to shareholders. IRCON International shares traded marginally down on Tuesday, despite the company winning a Rs 80 crore contract from Workshop Projects Organization of the Indian Railways. On July 17, the company was awarded the work for supply, installation, testing and commissioning of Integrated Tunnel Communication Systems, OFC-based industrial-grade network system, including laying of OFC and other cables for railway network, which includes tunnels and stations in the Jiribam-Kongsang section of the Jiribam-Imphal railway line project at a total price of 144 rupees crore. MSP Steel and Power in daily time frame is trading around 10.5 points with a change of 20%, and is trading with a net volume of around 5.58 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 9, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 81.39. SAL Steel in daily time frame is trading around 18.45 points with a change of 19.81%. And is trading with a net volume of around 2.5 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 16.15, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 74.43. For stocks to watch, we have IRCON looks good on current market price of 245.7. It can be bought at 246 rupees keeping target of 258 rupees with stop loss of 200. and 35. You can contact us from the details mentioned on the screen via a call, WhatsApp, or email. Thank you for listening the video to the end. Please do like, share, and subscribe the video for the latest updates in the market.